Including number Sana, and do you know my sister's here, but she's with my cousin right here. And today I just buy these sweets. This is a pink coconut foam, and inside there's chocolate. Oh my gosh, I love it. And this chocolate drink. So yeah, and I'm first gonna eat this, and then my chocolate drink, but I'm gonna eat them at the same time. So yeah. Oh, I love candies, but healthy food are more better than candies because they're healthy. Like, who doesn't love to be healthy? Duh. It tastes so good, though. My sister's opening her package, so I hope it's pink, not like plain white.
I got pink.
Really? Woo! That's a pretty nice pink. Guys, look, that's a pretty nice pink.
All pink.
All pink. Okay, now go. Mine is like that too. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. And on top is like purple, and then on the bottom is like pink. I love it.
I got chocolate.
Inside there's chocolate. Mmm.
She got red too.
It tastes like raspberry. This chocolate tastes like raspberry, and this chocolate tastes like chocolate. I'm gonna take a lot of that.
Ali, this chocolate tastes like Coca-Cola. Right? Mine tastes like it.
Mine tastes like chocolate. It's very good. Thank you. Oh gosh, guys. Want some?
Let me take.
Hold on, look at this.
I know.
Look inside.
That too.
Inside,
Yeah, it's pink. It's ice.
There are like 7 or 8 flavors in there.
Pina.
My uncle, guys, know how to do a split more better. But I just learned it. Yay! I just learned it. But she can do one straight right there, one straight. And she can do it both like very straight. Or she can do like this, just like this. And the other one right there. I actually did it. Well, that's surprising. Someone's calling. Oh my god. Is that JoJo Siwa?
No, it's she's telephone.
Oh. Wait.
There's someone else.
Oh, I thought JoJo Siwa's calling me. Because I got her phone number.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It feels so good. Try this at home, guys. It tastes very good.
Look at guys.
Ouch. Oh my gosh, mine tastes so good. Look at it. Oh my gosh, Hannah, stop it.
Why?
Because, guys, I'm sorry. You will failing again. Yeah. This is good, though. I will see when I eat this, and then I will drink this. Guys, I just eat it in my teeth. So chocolate. But, I'm sorry, guys. But this is going to make it more